just another update on what I'm up to here anyway. Since last time I have made another script and basically improved the other two I was working on. New script is explosion, and as you'd imagine it just makes things, it just applies a force over the explosion here. It actually took quite a while to do. Once you understand week3 and a few other things I had to look up and figuring out, it wasn't too bad actually. I just left 3 variables here for the lift, the force and the radius of the explosion, which can be edited from the little interface here. Now I did have to change shooting slightly to make everything that it instantiates a rigid body, so because the explosion will only really work with rigid bodies or other things with colliders. And also I've updated this to use week3, which seems to be the way everyone is kind of using these rockets, explosion kind of thing. So countdown, I just found this line here. That actually took a while itself. But if we're able to use GUI text items and we don't have to code it all ourselves, it'll do the job for now. It's just going to show the countdown timer here instead of GUI text. And because it's a racing game, I'm half decided to taking out the pars int here. I put it in because it makes it go from 60 to 59 instead of showing 60.000 or having massive amount of decimals. But in a racing game that's probably not too bad an idea considering how close the scores will be. And now I'll just give you a quick show of what is going on. Now you can see it's in 59. It's a bit too fast. It's actually shooting off the camera at the moment. Probably can't see that right now, but you can see it's moving the walls pretty well. Oh, another thing actually, since the last time I said I'd do it, was to find a way to make the clone destroy itself. Whatever the instantiate creates, and it's basically just destroyed, and you put a comma and the time you want, so you put that on the start of it, or whenever it makes a collision you can just, here we go, it's actually your destroy game object, and there should be one on function start, yeah, destroy game object, and then that's the amount of seconds in case it misses. Now, that's all there for 1 second.